I'm the head teacher, Ege Primary School, Mr. Zakaria. Today we are very happy, very grateful for the development that has really started here right now as we talk. And we are very much thankful because of the 2 classrooms that Mheshimiwa has brought us today, and the tank, 10,000 liter tanks that is with us right now. We are very much thankful. Karibu sana Mheshimiwa, asante sana kwa maendeleo.
Tunashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu na Mheshimiwa ambaye ametupatia klasi 2. Shukrani bongezi, and thanks, I say thank you. Thank you for the development and to bring Ege Primary School 2 classes, and it's still ongoing in Sangali to Sangali Secondary School.
Wananchi wa Ege na Ege Primary Fraternity tunashukuru Mungu, na vile tumepromise kwa campaign tumesema ya kwamba lazima hii maneno ya education tuitimize, na sisi kama viongozi ama kiongozi wa Ijara constituency MP wa Ijara nimepromise free secondary school, na hiyo ndio program tunaendelea kufanya. And today we are launching the 2 classroom for Ege Primary to cater for junior secondary school. And Ege had a lot of challenges in terms of classrooms, and alhamdulillah today we are launching the first 2 classrooms, and we are also launching, we also brought them 10,000 liters of tank, and inshallah with the repair they also requested, we will consider next year. So we are saying, Mwalimu, I wish you all the best. Make sure at least the learners get good conducive environment, and inshallah things will be okay. We will support you as much as we can. Thank you and be blessed.